हाई स्ट्रीट एग्जीबिशन दुबेरिया ग्रुप का हिस्सा है, जिसके मालिक इरफान दुबेरिया है और साहिरा इरफान दुबेरिया द्वारा संचालित किया गया। इस एग्जीबिशन का साहिल होटल मुंबई सेंट्रल में आयोजन किया गया, जहां बड़ी संख्या में लेडीज वेयर, सुंदर डिजाइनर कपड़े, होममेड प्रोडक्ट, आसाम के बागानों की चाय, खाने पीने के स्टॉल तो सुंदर को और सुंदर बनाने वाले मेकअप के सामान से लेकर स्टाइलिस्ट अंगूठी, बालिया, झुमके, कुशन्स, पिल्लो, डिजाइनर मास्क, चॉकलेट, स्वादिष्ट पानी पूरी सहित कई चीजें इस एग्जीबिशन की शोभा बढ़ा रहे थे, जिसे देखने और खरीदारी करने लोगों का हुजूम उमड़ पड़ा। लेकिन कोविड को देखते हुए हर तरह की सावधानी इस एग्जीबिशन में देखने मिला। इस मौके पर रूही अडनवाला, नुशात हशीर, सायमा कुरैशी, फरहा आरिफ खान, सबा अमजद, ऐशा लुबना, हिना राहिल, सुब्रा कार्डर सहित कई लोग इस एग्जीबिशन की शोभा बढ़ाने के लिए पहुंचे, जहां सभी ने इरफान दुबेरिया और साहिरा दुबेरिया के एग्जीबिशन की जम के तारीफ की।
Assalamu alaikum. I am Saira Irfan Duberia, and today we have organized this exhibition, High Street exhibition, and Alhamdulillah we got a very good response.
Good is a small word. We had a brilliant response here. I think I met all the best of the families, the Maimans, the Khans, so many of my clients who I had not met for years were here. And overall it was an amazing experience. I'm so glad I heard her. I participated. Thank you so much.
Thank you Maria for coming.
Carry on. Thank you.
ठीक है, अभी जैसा आपने सुन लिए कि मेरे ही एग्जीबिटर ने आके मेरे बारे में ये सब बोला है, और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह जो रिस्पांस मिला है हमको, और जो मेरे क्लाइंट्स भी आए अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, और सबको बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस मिला, और सब मेरे एग्जीबिटर्स जितने भी वो बहुत खुश हुए। आई सपोर्ट मतलब मेरे हस्बैंड ने मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट किया, तो ऑल हिप हिप हुर्रे व्हाटएवर गोज़ टू माय हस्बैंड, बिकॉज उनके सपोर्ट के बिना आई एम नथिंग। स्पेशियस भी दिया है, बड़े स्टॉल्स भी दिए। इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट टाइम हम और इससे बेटर करना चाहेंगे, और फिर बाकी हम हमारे एग्जीबिटर से भी रिव्यू लेंगे कि वो क्या चाहते हैं हमसे और बेटर। लेकिन अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हमारे एग्जीबिटर्स भी बहुत खुश हुए, उनको सेल भी अच्छा मिला, और सब जितने लोग आए उन्होंने ये भी बोला कि कुछ न्यू ब्रांड्स आए हमारे सामने। जैसे यूजुअली हमेशा वही कॉमन ब्रांड्स होते हैं, तो लोग थोड़े टायर्ड भी हो गए थे उसे शॉपिंग करते करते कि वही ब्रांड्स। लेकिन इस बार इस एग्जीबिशन में काफ़ी नए ब्रांड्स भी आए हैं, आगे हुए हैं, थोड़े छोटे थोड़े बड़े। वो छोटा बड़ा कोई नहीं होता है, सब इक्वली रहते हैं, लेकिन एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करने से ही लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं। तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह लेट्स सी इंशाल्लाह व्हाट नेक्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू डू।
Okay, Assalamu alaikum. I'm here with Saira from Nisa Jewels, and she's representing High Street exhibitions. I think as you can see with the crowd, it's amazing. Everybody is doing wonderful sales. The quality and the product that is here is very nice. I think she got brands that we've not seen before, so this is really nice. And we have Lay Diviner with us here. I think they know it, my love for dark chocolates, and their chocolates are really nice. I compare them to Taj. So if you're looking out for gifting for your wedding occasions, family, for Ramzan, so I think this is the perfect. But thank you so much for having. Acha, one more thank you for Hubbilicious, Exotic Oud, and Hijab people who have given such lovely gifts. And a special thank you to Guru Krupa Chai. I think they also gave a really beautiful gift. Thank you so much.
Tanu from Lavi Designs. I'm super excited. I'm at High Street exhibition organized by Sara Duberia, and I'm super happy. I congratulate her, and the crowd is so amazing here. All the stalls were really nice, so all the best.
It's a wonderful experience actually. I'm so proud to be a part of this event, and myself is Sugra Kadir, and I really wish Saira Appa, Saira Duberia, yes, she has done a wonderful job actually, and I really wish It is an high street exhibition in collaboration with Nisa Jewelers, and I really wish all the very well and best wishes to one and all. Thank you.
So I'm glad to attend the exhibition held by Saira. She's done a fabulous job. She's dragged in lovely brands. All the brands are worth visit, and the deals what I got here were really good. And I wish her best of luck for her future exhibitions, and keep doing this and keep supporting women empowerment.
Inshallah,
keep supporting
inshallah,
small
always.
business, and inshallah you go way ahead in life.
Amin, amin, inshallah. Jazakallah. Thank you.
A small token of love.
Hi everyone, I am here at Sahil Hotel in High Street Exhibition by Saira Duberia. I believe she has done a wonderful job, and all the brands are like awesome brands. I have purchased the bows, and my daughter loved it. And even I wish all the luck to Saira Appa. Wish her all the best.
Hi, this is Farah Arif Khan from Herbalicious, and I'm extremely delighted to be a part of High Street Exhibitions today. Many congratulations to Sahira Duberia, her daughters Irfan Duberia bhai, and I'm extremely elated, and I can see the footfall. It's amazing, and we have a stall right here. If you can pan this way. So yeah, this is the Herbalicious stall. Come and shop and have a good time. We've had a great day. It's been a lovely day, and the audience has been really lovely and amazing. So look out for another exhibition of High Street exhibitions, and yes, do check out Herbalicious's exhibition.
This is Nuzhat Hashir from Exotic Hood India, and mashallah, congratulations to High Street Exhibition, Saira Irfan Duberia, for this beautiful exhibition. Lovely crowd, lovely exhibitors, everything is on point.
So myself, Madiha Farooq, this is my brand Azbab, and we are into wedding garments. So we serve the bride and the tribe, the entire family of the bride. And here we are exhibiting. My friend Saira is doing this exhibition, and Alhamdulillah, I'm very glad I took it up, because I think I got the best of the families. So many leads, and we did quite few sales. So I wasn't really expecting much, because this is very pre-Ramzan, but it came out very well. So I'm very glad. Thank you so much.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Bisma Mansoor. I'm from BM Collections. और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह the response was good, and अच्छा गया अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
My name is Sadia Batatawala, and we have organized SGR collection. We have a lot of collections of branded jewelries and branded bracelets, and we also have imported bed sheets over here, and we also export some imported Indian and Pakistani both tunics, and you can also view our page on Instagram @gr_collection, and the organizer Saira, I really like her. She have organized it very well, and the way she gave the places to everybody, I really loved it, and the way of her comfortness and talking was really nice to me. Thank you.
Hi, this is Hina Sheikh. I'm representing Phase London. I'm into accessories and headbands and clothing. This is my first time exhibiting with Sahira, and the response was really good. So I plan to do other exhibitions with her as well in the future.
I am Sayed Afreen from Glittery World. As you can see, we have a lot of shades of pressed glitters, liquid glitters, and alhamdulillah, today's exhibition was a hit. High Street exhibition. It was a good experience. Thank you.
My name is Sabah, and my brand name is The Dream Bow. I deal with handmade stuff, और आज का जो मेरा experience रहा बहुत अच्छा था अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. It was good response.
Hi, this is Sana Uzair Khan, and Kate of London is our makeup brand. It's a European brand, professional makeup. We have taken the ownership of this brand in India. Thank you.
My name is Simra, and I was exhibiting for the first time. This is my brand. 350 Sweetness is my brand, and I got cupcakes, brownies, and everything here. The response was good. It was the first time I came here, so I got to know more about the things, but I got to know that chocolate is the favorite of everyone. But according to the first time, I had a great response. As you can see, all my boxes are empty here. So it was very nice. Thank you so much, High Street Exhibitions, for giving me this opportunity.
मेरा नाम रज़िया दरवेश है। मेरा ब्रांड का नाम मैफ कटोर है। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस रहा। सेल भी काफ़ी अच्छा था। आज का क्राउड भी अच्छा था। कोविड को देखते हुए काफ़ी लोगों ने प्रिकॉशनली अच्छे से आए, मास्क पहना, सैनिटाइज किया और आज का सेल बहुत वाव था। बहुत अच्छा गया मेरा, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बहुत अच्छा गया। आप उनको फॉलो कर सकते हो मैफ कलेक्शन 11 इंस्टा आईडी पे और एफबी पे मैफ कलेक्शन 2527। थैंक यू।
गुरु कृपा टी नाम का प्रोडक्ट है और सर ये है चाय पत्ती है, ये प्योर ऑर्गेनिक टी है जिसमें कलर और प्रिजर्वेटिव मिक्स नहीं है। और सर ये इसकी मेन खासियत बात क्या है, ये प्रिजर्वेटिव ऑर्गेनिक है, उसके बाद भी ये टेस्ट उससे अच्छा देती है, कलर भी अच्छा है और रेट है ना उन सबसे कम है। जैसे अभी आप और कोई भी सोसाइटी कोई भी टी लेने जाओगे आपको 550 से 600 के रेंज के बीच में आएगी और ये आपको सिर्फ 400 में मिलेगी 10% ऑफ के साथ। ऑल ओवर इंडिया डिलीवरी फ्री मिलेगी। आप जैसा इसको स्मेल कर सकते सर, आप खुद ही स्मेल कर सकते कैसा है इसका टेस्ट। और अपना बाई बैक गारंटी है। जैसा अगर आपको टी पसंद नहीं आई तो हम खुली पैकेट वापस ले लेंगे और आपका पैसा वापस कर देंगे। बहुत अच्छा था एग्जीबिशन, साहिल होटल में था बॉम्बे सेंट्रल पे और अच्छा फीडबैक मिला। कस्टमर्स जो हमारी फ्री टी टेस्टर्स पिए हैं उनको बहुत अच्छा लगा, गुड रिव्यू दिए, वो बहुत खुशी से लेके गए अपनी चाय पत्ती। थैंक यू।
And she is exhibiting with High Street Exhibitions. I've seen up close her workmanship and karigari, and it's beautiful. Somebody who's a designer herself is, I very rarely do like somebody's work, but this is really stunning. The detailing, the finishing, everything. Just look at the fall of the dress, it's so beautiful. Sarah, turn it around. Oh wow. Just look at the back also. It's stunning. It's genuinely very stunning. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ruby. Genuinely having you. They have got a lovely variety here today. As you know, her stuff is really amazing. Thank you so much, Farah, for giving this beautiful gift here. But the variety that you can see is all the favorite stuff of hers are here today. She's there at High Street Exhibition. So all those who want to buy it on live, please do come here. I've got tea here. They're going to give me my cup of the day. I'm going to try something out. This is really exciting and interesting. Oh wow. As I've told them, I'm a tea fan, so if you don't give me food, I'm fine, but you've got to give me tea. Oh wow, it's fantastic. It's really nice. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Perfect. This is somebody whom I had to review for a very long time, but this is amazing. It's left me speechless. Now, as you can see, I'm holding these. These are something so beautiful. Can you put it back there and show me how it is put? These are what do you call them? Tie bands. Tie bands. Oh wow. And these are for your curtains. Just look at them. It's so beautiful. Something so new, unique. Exceptional. Oh wow, it's fantastic. The color combination. So for your curtains also you sorted out here. But something new. It's beautiful. It's stunning. Now she has here a variety of pillowcases here also, as you can see her design. Bedspreads also. Can you show me one or two? Oh wow, this is also beautiful. These are your sets, the bed sheets, and you can mix and match it with the pillows that you want. Now what she also has here is pillow sets. Just look at this for your bridal collection with tissue boxes covers also. Oh wow. Just look at the variety this girl has, is amazing. It's beautiful. And the finishing, everything is very nice. Thank you. 2,200 and above. Now with Ramzan approaching, I think this is a person that you should really get in touch with. They have these lovely cotton kurtas here. Look at the detailing. The fabric is also very nice. Oh wow, it's fantastic. So you've sorted everybody out for Ramzan. So they know where they have to go to. The Shubham Collections. It's a brand which has got a lovely quality fabric, and the pricing is also superb. This is around 2,000, 2,500. These suits are there for. Now it's got a pant, it's got a kurta. Just look at the detailing, 2,500 and above. But it's beautiful. It's fantastic. Vishal has these lovely cotton suits. As you can see, the colors print. Oh wow. I'm a cotton person. Yeah, I'm a cotton person. I feel it. Everybody knows me, only sees me mostly in cotton. So the pricing is also really good, as you can see. It's a complete set at 3,500. Now the quality is really, really good. They have the best brands here from Sapphire, J Fred, everything here. They're just here for today at High Street Exhibition at Sahil Hotel with none other than Saira. Here at Diverse Collection. As you can see, she has a lovely variety of unstitched salwars with half side open. With lovely printed dupattas. She's got anarkalis here also. As you can see, her pricing is really nice. The collection is also beautiful. Oh wow. Just look at it. This is really stunning. This is see at high-end exhibitions here, collections like this. So hope to see all of you here at High Street Exhibition. Now Faze is here with a lovely collection of headbands, as you can see back again. Now these are the belts. Oh wow. Just look at it. It looks so stunning. Beautiful. Now last time I had fallen in love with their mask, and I see everybody wearing them. So those who haven't bought it should be here at High Street Exhibition at Sahil to buy this beautiful collection here. Now she has lovely accessories, earrings also. See this clutches. And this one. Beautiful. Look at the detailing, the finishing. Everything here is fantastic. DM collection. I think with every passing day they are doing the collection, and they are here with something very beautiful here. Look at this organza set. How much is it priced for? 27.50. Now that's the range I wouldn't want to miss. So all those who haven't yet visited High Street Exhibitions, please do be there today, because this is lovely. I just love it. Look at the borders, the sleeves, the cuff, the dupatta, everything is very nice. Here with HGR collection. As you can see, they have lovely designer bed sheets also here. Look at the quality and the finishing. The pricing is good, I hope. Yes. Yeah, they are here with very good prices just for today at High Street Exhibitions. They also have Pakistani kurtis and accessories here also. So hope to see everyone. Collection there has been bought specially here to India from Turkey. Just look at the children's wear. It's so pretty. The detailing, everything, the color combination. It is fantastic. I just love it. Oh wow, just look at this. This is so beautiful. And they have a large variety here, as you can see. They have in boys, all boys wear. But this is lovely. This is so smart, like a shawl type of dupatta. Totally, I'm in love with it. The collection is very nice. The fabric is breathable, because with summer coming, children need something that is soft. As I'm feeling it, it's really nice and soft. The embroidery is also not hard also. Veterans pattern is here with us at High Street Exhibition. As you can see, they have a large variety of bed sheets here. No, I love their collection a lot. You can see as bridal also is there, with a lot of weddings happening around. So as you can see, yes, come here. See. Beautiful wedding collection sets are there. These are the comforters, these are the wedding bed sheet set. You can look at it. They even have cotton here. Now, I really love their collection, their design, their print. Everything is really nice. To hope to see everyone. Thank you. We are here at High Street Exhibition. 2990 onwards of lovely collection. Just look at this. The colors are so nice. Just see the color. All the shades that you need. The colors. We are here with Queen Abayas today, and she has a lovely collection out here, as you can see, and the pricing is also very nice. They are here with High Street Exhibitions to hope to see everyone here. They are there till tonight, so catch on the best deals in the town.
सब्सक्राइब करें आवाज़ नेशनल न्यूज़ और बेल आइकन दबाना बिल्कुल भी ना भूलिए, ताकि हमारे अपडेट सबसे पहले आपको मिले।